Hello there, welcome back to our second part from Porto video about architecture, and yeah, that would be it. That would be only architecture. When we talk about architectural movements that have shaped the world, we often think about places like Bauhaus in Germany or vibrant scene in Chicago, but there is another school of thought, a quieter, more poetic approach to modernism that was born in the coastal city of Porto. This is the story of the Porto School, a movement that gave us not one but two Pritzker Prize winners, and a building that is a masterpiece in its own right. To actually understand the Porto School, you need to know three names that are deeply connected. First is Fernando Tavora, Álvaro Siza, which you already heard about, and his student Eduardo Souto de Moura. Now I want you to think of them as three generations of architectural genius. Tavora is considered the father of Porto School. He was the mentor, the one who installed a deep respect for Portugal's traditional architecture while embracing the clean lines and modernism. Siza, he took those ideas and gave them a kind of poetic, sculptural quality. And finally, his own student, Eduardo Souto de Moura, who continued to push the boundaries. And these three architects are linked not just by their shared philosophy, but master-student relationship that flow through their careers. And if you want to see the Porto School philosophy made real, you just have to look at its home, the Faculty of Architecture at the University of Porto. And who better to design a school of architecture than its most celebrated graduate, Álvaro Siza himself. It was completed in 90s, all set on a beautiful terraced landscape overlooking the river. Siza knew that student life doesn't just happen in a lecture hall. It happens in the spaces in between. So he created this incredible network of walkways, ramps, and a central triangular courtyard. It's a place designed for interaction, for conversation, for spontaneous exchange of ideas. The Porto School of Architecture is a living legacy. It's a place where a unique architectural language was born, a language that speaks of honesty and materials, respect for history, and of the poetic power of light and form. It has shaped not just a city, but a very way we think about architecture in the modern world. Siza's vision, however, wasn't confined to grand academic institutions. In the years following Portugal's Carnation Revolution in 1974, the country was swept by a wave of democratic fervor, and with it a radical commitment to social justice. This included a monumental effort to provide decent housing for the working class. It was in this fertile ground that Siza, along with his peers, embarked on one of the most profound architectural experiments of his career, the CAAL program. It's a local ambulatory support service which brought architects directly into the communities they served. And Siza didn't just design from the office, he collaborated with residents, understanding their needs, their dreams. He didn't just build a home, he built communities, crafting spaces that fostered interaction, offered dignity, and celebrated the everyday lives of ordinary people. From the vibrant, lived-in fabric of social housing, Siza's journey also led him to another profound exploration of form and light, sacred architecture. About an hour east of Porto stands his church of Santa Maria. Completed in 1996, this church is a masterclass in minimalist beauty and spiritual serenity. Stripped of ornamentation, Siza's design relies entirely on the precise manipulation of light and shadow and the quality of its materials. Santa Maria Church is a modern masterpiece of sacred architecture, a testament to Siza's ability to imbue even the most utilitarian or the most hallowed of spaces with an undeniable sense of poetry. The Porto School of Architecture, born from this windswept coast and the deep currents of the Douro River, reminds us that architecture is never truly separate from its place. It's actually woven into the landscape, into the history, and into the very soul of the city and its people. From the academic rigor of School of Architecture to the human dignity of social housing and the spiritual quietude of Santa Maria, the architects of Porto have given us a profound legacy, a language that is honest, poetic, and enduring. Their work speaks of a deep respect for context, a masterful manipulation of light, and a commitment to the human existence. Its quiet revolution is still shaping the world, one thoughtful, elegant building at a time.